Hello everyone, I'm gonna show you today how you can create WhatsApp templates in CadaloCast in just few minutes with no need to a phone number, to business, to anything to do on WhatsApp's end or any other third parties to do that. We're gonna start with the creation of authentication template. We go to the WhatsApp section on the left and then we go to the create template. I'm gonna create an authentication template. I'm gonna start authentication template. I'm gonna choose English, Spanish and French as languages. Code expiration in minutes. This is technically when the message sent to your user will no longer show on WhatsApp. And enhanced security, this means whenever the message is sent, whether it can be only shown on the primary device that WhatsApp is on, or also it can be seen on other devices like secondary devices that are connected through QR code or not. I'm gonna do with no enhanced security recommendation at the moment. Okay, and our template is created and it is approved. So now we can go into Adalo. We can do a simple authentication system. Let's add a text input, for example. Let's do the following for enter phone number, button, send code. We send our user to the screen 2. On the screen 2 we're gonna also have an input with a button. We verify code, enter code over here, verify code. No need for this. So we're gonna go to the database over here. We're gonna add a property. Let's say it is a number. Okay, code. Okay, I'm gonna call it code. Okay, when we go into this page, let's do, for example, random function, sorry, countdown function. What was it called? See, is one that generate random number. It's randomizer, sorry. Okay, we're gonna need to update the user with the code number over here, and we're gonna create our custom action. Okay, we can go into CadaloCast documentation. We can go over here and check it out. Let's do it together. So first, the base URL will be this one over here. It's a post method. We have a header of authorization, content, sorry, then we have also a second header, which is the API key, which we get it from this, from here, copy it, Now we have the JSON body, we have the two, I think, yes, we have the two, we have the code, we have the template name, and the code variable and the language variable are only for the authentication category, not for other categories. Okay, we have the language. Let's do it by, let's also make it a variable. Let's go over here to the template name can be found over here. The language can also be found over here, one of those three. Let's do this. Okay, so I'm gonna run the test of the API. So over here, as you can see, it is sent successfully. Now let's save it, let's implement it over here. Let's do the other component 3 code that is within the randomizer number, the one chosen. Same over here, yes. Okay, the template name, not this one, sorry, it's over here, and the language en, yes. Now if we go over the preview, now if we go into the preview, we're gonna implement over here in the button the send WhatsApp code, en us, template name, code, the logged in user code, and within the component, sorry, let's put the code in a hidden input over here, because somehow we are not logged in on this account. Okay, let's just do the following. Change input value of input 5 to the randomizer code 6 digits, and when we go over here, instead of the logged in user code, we do other component input 5. Let's go now to the preview. Okay, the API request was a success. The code, I'm gonna enter something like this, nothing happening. Forgot to link it to the last page. Only if input 5 is equal to component input 5. Let's do another test. Let's send another code. This is the code sent to me. It's a success. Let's try something different. Nothing happens.